Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today. I got some exciting stuff here. We got the all-new 3M helmet that just came in. We're just going to do a little unboxing here. So I've had this helmet for a little over a week now, and been doing some welding with it, running around showing customers this helmet, and it's pretty amazing. Got some really amazing feedback, and everyone seems to love it, and it's amazing. So let's get it off here. So in this video, we're gonna go over the helmet, the features, all the functions on it, pricing, availability, and then got a promo code at the end for a little bit of money off. So let's open this thing up. So it kind of comes in a nonchalant box. I mean, it just says 3M Speedglas, but on the inside, they painted the inside of the box, so it's pretty sweet. So it's the new Speedglas G5-02. So it's the first curved ADF on the market in the world. So they actually curved the lens on this unit. So it's your peripheral vision is better. It's curved, and so the way their theory was behind it's 20 years in the making. So they curved the ADF, so you can, instead of making the helmet wider, they just curve the lens and wrap your face. So pretty sweet. So let's get this thing out of the box. So it comes wrapped in a bag, comes in its own bag. You got your instruction manual right there. Pretty sweet on the inside. They good marking on that box there. It comes in a very nice bag. I mean, this is a pretty sweet helmet. So on the inside of the bag here, comes with the helmet, and pretty sweet. I mean, it is very, whatever they made it out of, it is robust. It is not, it feels like you can drop this thing and you're not going to break it. And on the inside, it also comes with a rag to wipe off your lens. And I mean, it's a very nice bag. It keeps everything clean. So this thing was designed intentionally for TIG welding because of the clarity of view. And I'm not saying that you can only just TIG weld with this thing, because I've had it in the hands. We were stick welding, we were MIG welding, we were TIG welding, and everybody, I mean, we were running, 7018 electrode at 130 amps, and people were like, wow, this thing is just amazing. So first things first, they curved that ADF. We got 4 sensors on the helmet. It is just, I mean, the view is amazing. So to change out your lens here, kind of traditional Speedglas style, comes with that face mask seal. You got 5 little ears here, and they just pull from the top, and it's, when you pull from the top, it'll pop them ears out, and then they go right back in. And then this thing kind of seals right about around the edges there, and it goes back on. On the right way. Should go right back in there. There we go. Got it back in there. So turn to the inside of the unit. So the lens itself is pretty sweet on the inside. So you got your shade over here. You got a shade lock. We got Bluetooth. We're gonna go over that here in a minute. And then we got our sensitivity, and then we got our delay up top. So the buttons are down towards the bottom. They changed that up because you can reach in with a glove and change them easier. And we've tried it. I tell you what, I've had about 20 people weld with this helmet, including myself, and they all find it very easy to change the shade, the setting. And what I'm finding out, it's so clear that people have to bump up a shade, or maybe even 2 shades, because from what they're used to using other helmets, they'll be at like a shade 9. They're like, man, I had to go up to 11. It was so clear and bright. It's amazing. So going over the shades, it's just your traditional Speedglas where it blinks when you change shade. Same thing with your sensitivity. Go up and down. And then your delay, it just blinks with your delay. Pretty easy, pretty simple. I mean, just, and then the shade lock is there for if you don't want to have the auto darkening feature. What it does is you hit shade lock, it automatically locks it in whatever shade you have it on. And what we found out is some people were trying it on, and they had the sensitivity down low, and it wouldn't auto darken. They're like, man, there's something. No, you gotta turn the sensitivity up, and it'll auto darken. So there's no grind feature on this helmet, but if you turn the sensitivity all the way down, you can grind, because it won't auto darken on one there. So it's got a Bluetooth button. You can download, 3M has an app called Equipment Connect. You download the app, you pick this helmet in the app. It's going to ask you some questions and that you just fill out there, put your email in, that sort of thing. And then you connect it to your phone. So what makes this kind of neat is that it connects to your phone. You can change the shade, the sensitivity, the delay, and it automatically adjusts the helmet to what you change it to. And you can store up to 10 different settings. So if you're doing a couple different jobs and you like one setting for this and one setting for that, you can just go and push the setting on your phone, one of the 10 that you saved, the memory bank, and automatically adjust it. Pretty neat. Now to do that though, you got to always push that Bluetooth button so it connects to your phone so you can adjust it on the app. But inside that app also, in the settings, there's a feature that has the serial number, pulls up serial number, model, part number, and then if you ever have to do a warranty and the stickers are gone or anything happens, you can just go back to the app on your phone because it stored that. And it has all that stuff. And then you can pull up a parts list inside that app also. You can get lens numbers, inner lens numbers, and so you always have parts, so you know what part number you need. If you go to reorder at bakersgas.com, you can just look on the app, get the part number, and get it going. So pretty neat little feature. But going to the outside of the helmet, and one thing I need to touch on here was these the knobs on the outside. So you can see they're flush mount. They're not like a competitor's hood that have the cranking knob on the side, and those knobs, they wear out, they fall off, people lose them all the time, they hit them, but this is nice because it's a flush mount thing. So I just put this helmet on here. So it's really nice because you can just, with a glove on, I could see where you could just adjust those right away. You can get it to come down faster. I like mine tight so it stays up, and it's super nice. They got like a soft click feature, easy to turn, really nice, smooth feature. Some of them, and I know on competitors' hoods, you can get them as tight as you want, and that thing still falls down. This one does not. So pretty awesome little feature. But like I said, I've had this helmet for now just a little over a week, and had it in the hands of about 20 people that welded with it. And like I said before, we've stick welded, we MIG welded, and we've TIG welded, and everybody loves it. I mean, they love it. Some of them, they may mention that there's no grind feature, but like I told them, just turn the sensitivity down and it'll stay at a straight shade. But it's got a resting shade of 2.5. I mean, the clarity is amazing. What you can see on it is amazing when you're welding. It's just totally different. Now, you've watched my other videos. You've seen what I welded with, what I wear all the time, and it's a toss-up. But I want to say this is a premium product, and I think it blows it out of the water. I mean, I really do. I couldn't believe how clear it was. I think it's that curved feature and the range, the peripheral range I get with it is just amazing. So the price point on this helmet comes in right just shy of $700. So it's up there. The price is up there, but it's a premium product. You are getting a premium welding hood. It's the first curved ADF on the market. It's amazing. I can't speak highly enough about it. I mean, it really is an amazing welding hood. And everybody that's welded with it, they want to buy one, and they're not really shy about that price. Yeah, we got to have one. I mean, it's awesome. It is really awesome. But I'm going to throw a promo code out there too, curved15. So they get you $15 off this welding helmet at bakersgas.com. So curved15 is the promo code. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below, and hey, we'll do our best to answer them. I mean, first of its kind, curved ADF, it's awesome. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more.